Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for Python. Today we're going to see that it's a project. The project name is to do list project with Python. So as of now, we are going to use the tkinter only. Let's go for the procedure and demonstration. I'm going to use this. I'm going to execute the project with the help of Pycharm only. Whenever like the project, whenever like the channel, please subscribe and share with the friends. So let's see the here. Once I develop the coding here with the help of tkinter, at last I show the to-do list reminder. It's a useful project whoever want to learn the Python from starting itself. So beginners, if you are beginner, it will be useful. So what the thing is, once you generate the project, once created the project, it will give the option of the boxes, text boxes. That is, enter the work to be do and enter the time like this. So if we give the R task, it will give the time. We can give, for example, I give the worker some first worker 10 minutes, sorry, 10 seconds. Next second work, I'm giving 120 seconds. So once the time over, it will elapse automatically. At last, you can go exit. So first give the first work and type something 10 seconds. After, if you go the art task, you can it will ask the art task. Once this task over, it show the time left and with the help of pop-up window, it show everything. At last, will be gone, removed from this area, text area. This is a project. So what are things you want? As of you know, To-do is a simple desktop project system created using the Python programming language. I'm going to save the program as todolist.py. So if you want to use any other anything Pycharm, not only Pycharm, Python ideally anything. So we have to design the main screen here, and the screen should have a label for the enter task. Just now I told you to do and the enter times also, and for the buttons. If whatever button you can add art test and etc, then model for the pop-up message. So here useful thing to able to the pop-up window should be appear on the screen with a special message. So whenever the time elapsed, you will give the special message. That's important. Moreover, is instant give feedback to the user also, and order the user to error any errors than the program coding, it will show the error also. So let's switch on the Pycharm mode where we can see the coding here and execution also at last. So this is the program. First of all, I'm going to start the program with the import tkinter, import threading. From tkinter, import message box, import system, SOS, OE I'm giving threading means because to see the task timing. So whatever seconds you are keeping, it will take it. So task you I'm giving empty, then timer I'm giving is called threading, then real timer I'm giving threading, and okay underscore thread is true. I'm giving the conditions here, and I'm going to the functions. What are the function requirements? First getting task, that is events equal to what, then works equal to do dot get, and hours equal to int of time dot get, and to do dot delta of 0 comma tk dot enter, and so on. I'm mixing the size because initially the pop-up window should be empty only. The user can the user can enter anything once the program is executed. So you can give the to do dot focus started. I'm adding the underscore record of work comma hover I'm giving. Then I'm applying the formula here. If 0 less than hover less than 999, updating underscore record. By default, we are writing then we are writing another function called adding record, that is work comma hours. So task dot append of work comma hours, and class equal to thread dot timer of hours comma proceed time comma work, then clock dot start. So this is for adding the time limit. So if we give 10 seconds, once the time limit expire elapsed, it will move from the screen, the pop-up window. So we are writing the clock also. So then define definition update record, where updating record we are writing if working list dot size greater than 0, working list dot delete of 0 end. Then for task in task we are giving working list dot insert end, and so on, and giving the time left. So this is a message where is showing the appearing in the desk in your desktop screen. So we are going to execute all. Then string task one, what are task one giving? For example, I'm typing a.txt or first work, it show everything properly. Whatever give input to, it is display in the pop-up window and elapsed once the time over. Then we are going for the definition proceed underscore time for task. So here we are writing the message tkinter message box of show info notification. So now time for. So it show the elapsed now time for. When you go for this is a basic project. When you go for exams, last 5 minutes is showing the red color, the portal, and showing the seconds time elapses. Okay, raw last like said like this only. That means last 10 seconds, last 5 minutes, 2 minutes, or 20 seconds, 5 seconds. So once time elapsed, we can't do anything. We can't move it. We have to compulsory lockout from the exam session. So we're using the define actual time, that if OK underscore thread we are giving real underscore time of threading dot timer of giving 1.0 comma actual time, the real dot time I'm starting you. And for tasking task again I'm giving the condition if task of 1 is equal to 0, task dot remove task. That means suppose 10 seconds there, the 10 seconds elapsed, 10 it becomes 9, 8, 7, at last become to 0, elapsed from the screen and move. And if task of 1 is equal to is called minus 1 is equal updating record. So you can keep on adding the task 1, task 2. Again, if you want, you can submit the task 1, task 2. We are writing the main function now. So if name is equal to main, we are writing root is equal to tk. Sorry, then we are writing the root dot geometry of size is 460 into 480. If you want, you can do. So just give that as students to do list reminder. So if you want, you can do and set the for that pop-up, sorry, for that window as setting the row configure, and I'm giving the background as a blue color. If you want, you can change it. And writing frame is called a tkinter dot frame of root, then frame dot back. Then I'm writing labels. So as of I have taken many projects, so you know how to prepare the label also. So you can the root enter the task to do, and foreground color is white and background is pg blue color. So font size I'm keeping 14 and so on. Label hours code I'm giving tk enter label of root, text code enter time seconds. So whatever we are giving based on the functions it start to work out here. Then I'm giving to is called tk enter of entry of root comma with this what and font and so on. Similarly I'm giving the time and post button. So button is very important. Button also keeping the size and so on. Then exit, I'm giving the exit button. Once press the exit button, where the user can it will the screen will be moved from the screen. So exit automatically. Then I'm giving working list equal to tk and list box of root comma font Arial size and so on. So as of Pycharm, the advantage is whenever you click, wherever you click, it show the information. So then I'm giving again if task equal to empty actual time, then root dot bind of return of getting task. Then we give the label for everything. So as I show in the screenshot, so the label start. So like this we have to display. So our task exit everything. So here moving here. So we are keeping the positions everything. So once you practice everything, you can do it properly. Working list exit buttons are giving. At last I'm going to complete with a root dot main loop, and I'm giving work underscore thread is equal to false. At last is a finished. So once finished, the project committed. So the simple project for to do project, what are you doing means we are importing the packages. So we are importing the tkinter threading, then from import size and the threading for make all the mission timing, and also we are going to call the task. We are going to use the function called getting task, and we are going to use the getting adding record, and we are going to updating record and pursuit time. Like that we are going to relevant functions. At last if you execute the program, you show the output like this. So I'm going the demonstration here. So I'm going to give some, just I'm typing first work, just I'm typing first to work. I'm going to give the time selections of just 10. Then I'm giving our task. So it says counting started. I'm giving the second work to do our task. Sorry, I've got to give the time seconds here. Maybe 4 3 say let me just give 5. It start to work now. So it take 5 seconds. 4 3 2 1 exit. So like that you can go the task and finish the task. So it's showing the message also. So the simple desktop application project with the help of Python only. Let's say exit. So theme execute. I hope that you understand the project. If you like the video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.